the 2014 Land Rover Range Rover. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3-liter 6-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. All of the following features are included: leather upholstery, automatic dimming door mirrors, a headlight cleaning system, heated steering wheel, a power liftgate, skid plates, and voice-activated navigation. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.